If your Ford F-150 is cranking but refuses to start, or if it randomly died while you were driving down the road, do not call a tow truck just yet. You might be dealing with one of the most common design flaws on these trucks. It involves a single 10-amp fuse located under the hood that cuts off all power to your fuel pump. Open your hood and locate the main engine bay fuse box positioned right above the radiator. You are looking for a small red 10-amp fuse sitting in slot number 27. This is your fuel pump relay power source. Pull it out and carefully inspect the metal legs and the plastic casing around it. The problem isn't always that the fuse simply blows like a normal short circuit. Because of the electrical load, the fuse gets so incredibly hot that it melts the plastic surrounding it, ruining the electrical connection inside the box. If you see charred, melted plastic or black burn marks on the metal legs, you have found exactly why your truck is dead. You can try scraping the contacts clean and pushing a fresh 10-amp fuse in there just to get the engine running and get yourself home. However, this is strictly a temporary band-aid. If you leave it like that, the new fuse will eventually melt again, leaving you stranded all over again. The permanent solution is a Fuse 27 relocation kit. For about $20, this kit allows you to cut the factory wire, bypass that burned-out slot, and route the fuel pump power to a much larger, heavy-duty box-style fuse slot right nearby. It takes basic wire strippers, a heat gun, and about 30 minutes to install right in your driveway. Check that fuse before you let a mechanic convince you that you need a brand-new fuel pump or an expensive diagnostic test. It is a massive money saver and a very straightforward DIY fix. Grab that relocation kit, follow the instructions, and get your truck back on the road.